I joined Shiny Globes Club since 2020 till date, which is about 5 years. And I learned so many things in Shiny Globes Club. Computer graphic design, which I learned, and also phone repair, which I'm into right now, and I know how to do it very well.
Actually surprised me as a female, because this is a kind of work that any part of the state you go to, you hardly see girls learning phone repairs. Blessing is among, I will say she's like #1 of all the females that I've met in Jos because of her commitment in the work.
Our curriculum, it teaches the child how to discipline and how to use skills acquisition as their own. So our main objectives, our target is to take vulnerable children out of the streets.
I've gained so many things since I've joined the club, both intellectually and financially, because it helps me. The phone I'm repairing, I fix for people. I get money in doing the work, and the money help me, both my family and I too.
Female child, she's doing phone repairs, and she's doing it perfectly without any problem. Even this alone, it gives me joy, and I'm very happy with the Shining Blue.
Blessing is just an evidence of the Shiny Globes Club.
Doing this work is not only for men. I want to bring in more girls' child into this mobile repair because it really helps a lot. And if I want to be the one to train them so that they'll even have the confidence that, oh, since a female like me, I'm doing it. So that will give them encouragement to do more, and it will really help them.
Shiny Globes Club has been amazing in the lives of children in the streets.